Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this forum, I started with a few quiz on ECGs, but my inclination was or objective was to cover various things in this forum. So today what I'm doing, is sharing a video clip with you people and give you 3 questions for that. This is the video clip I would like you to see. Give me 3 findings, what you're seeing, what is the diagnosis, and how will you manage this clip. And I want all of these things to be written in the answers. I hope you'll answer that and write in the comments your answer. And from onward, I'll just give you a clip and questions on top of that clip. Thank you very much for being with us.